Hey guys, let's make some sublimation blank puzzles. These are from Better Call Mall Craft Shop. We've got 12 piece, 28 piece, and 80 piece puzzles available. I first start by measuring the puzzle with a ruler. I like to add just a little wiggle room so I can see the outside edge of the transfer around the puzzle, making sure that it is centered and I'm not going to have any edges cut off. And I'm going to repeat this for the other two puzzles. I do like to use a pressing pillow for the puzzles. I put the puzzle face up with the transfer face down between the butcher paper, press at 385 degrees for about 60 to 75 seconds with firm pressure. Before I completely take off the transfer, I always like to check in the middle to make sure that the ink looks like it is transferred well. It looks good, so I can remove the paper, and this is what the 80-piece puzzle looks like pressed. Here is the 28-piece puzzle and the 12-piece puzzle. Here I'm showing you just how easy it is to take these puzzles apart. They are fully functioning puzzles. You can take them apart and put them back together as many times as you want. They're very durable. I am going to do another video where I show you how to press the bags. These bags we sell as well. They are the cosmetic sublimation bags, but they work perfect for the puzzle display and storage bags. And here I'm putting the puzzle back together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions.